Are you looking for the best multicolor 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best multicolor 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra S1 Speedy 3-dimensional printer speaks to creators who value clarity, patience, and quiet progress. It offers a space where ideas feel safe to grow and imagination feels supported. Every printing session feels intentional, allowing thoughts to transform into solid form with a sense of calm purpose. Watching creation unfold layer by layer builds emotional attachment and lasting satisfaction. The creative flow feels stable and reassuring, helping users stay focused without stress. This steady rhythm reduces distractions and encourages deeper concentration. Time spent working feels meaningful, not rushed, making creativity enjoyable instead of exhausting. That balance helps makers stay motivated and confident, even during long projects. Detail brings pride into every finished piece. Results appear clean and thoughtful, reflecting care and attention. That refined outcome strengthens belief in personal ability and creative vision. Each success feels earned, inspiring curiosity and courage to explore new designs. Confidence grows naturally as skills develop through consistent experience. Fast movement keeps enthusiasm alive. Ideas do not sit idle, and progress feels visible, which feeds motivation. This sense of momentum prevents frustration and supports creative energy throughout the process. Projects feel achievable, keeping excitement strong from beginning to completion. Anycubic Kobra S1 Speedy 3-dimensional printer becomes part of a lifestyle built around making and learning. It supports expression, focus, and personal growth in a quiet and respectful way. More than a device, it feels like a trusted companion that values imagination and effort equally. Each completed object carries meaning, effort, and emotion, leaving users feeling accomplished, inspired, and deeply connected to what they create through their own vision and dedication. Number 2. Creality Under 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Creality Under 3v3 SE 3-dimensional printer brings ideas to life, offering creators a space where imagination transforms into tangible results. Every printing session becomes a journey, where concepts slowly evolve into objects that can be held and admired. This process evokes a quiet sense of pride and emotional satisfaction, making each project feel personal and meaningful. Watching a creation rise layer by layer creates a connection that turns simple ideas into memorable achievements. The experience feels smooth and reliable, allowing users to focus entirely on their vision. Time spent printing becomes enjoyable and purposeful, with each moment adding to a growing sense of confidence. The steady rhythm supports long projects without stress, making complex designs feel achievable and encouraging continued experimentation. Every finished piece strengthens trust in skill and motivates the next creation. Precision adds a layer of emotional fulfillment. Finished objects appear clean, detailed, and intentional, reflecting the care invested into every project. Seeing designs realized exactly as imagined brings pride and inspires creativity. Each successful print fuels curiosity, encouraging creators to explore more ambitious ideas and expand their skills. Momentum keeps inspiration alive. Projects progress steadily, turning ideas into reality efficiently and keeping excitement high throughout the process. This sense of forward movement nurtures motivation and prevents frustration, making creation deeply rewarding. Creality Under 3v3 SE 3-dimensional printer is more than a machine. It becomes a partner in creativity, fostering focus, personal growth, and self-expression. Every completed model carries effort, imagination, and accomplishment, leaving users feeling capable, inspired, and deeply connected to what they bring to life with their own hands. Number 3. Sovol SV06 Plus 3D Printer. Sovol SV06 Plus 3-dimensional printer invites creators to feel confident from the first moment. The name itself carries trust, helping buyers believe they are choosing something meaningful for personal growth. Creative minds often search for calm tools that respect effort and time. This experience supports that desire by turning imagination into a steady habit rather than a struggle. Daily use feels reassuring. Focus becomes easier, letting ideas flow without frustration. Many people want progress without anxiety, and this journey answers that emotional need. Working sessions feel smooth, encouraging patience and pride. Each completed object brings satisfaction that stays long after power is turned off. The creative process feels balanced. Silence supports deep thinking, allowing attention to remain on design and learning. That peaceful rhythm helps users relax while staying productive. Confidence grows naturally as skills improve, building motivation to continue exploring new ideas. Ownership creates connection. Makers feel control, independence, and self-belief with every project. That emotional bond matters because it transforms work into enjoyment. Learning becomes personal, and mistakes feel like lessons instead of failures. Sovol SV06 Plus 3-dimensional printer fits into creative lifestyles easily. It supports ambition without pressure, helping people express ideas honestly. Satisfaction comes from seeing effort become reality. This sense of achievement inspires long-term creativity, making buyers feel proud, capable, and ready to keep creating meaningful objects every day. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3-dimensional printer speaks to dreamers who want progress without delay. Many creators feel stuck when ideas remain only thoughts. This experience changes that feeling by turning imagination into touchable form, bringing pride that feels personal and lasting. Each creation carries emotion, because effort becomes visible reality. Creative energy grows when frustration fades. Calm operation supports focus, allowing attention to stay on design rather than correction. Confidence builds naturally as results appear clean and dependable. Projects begin to feel exciting again, not stressful, encouraging exploration and courage in every session. Fast movement measured at 250 mm per second keeps motivation alive. Waiting less means thinking more, protecting inspiration from fading. Momentum supports discipline, helping users return daily with enthusiasm and purpose. Time saved becomes time invested into learning, refining, and expressing identity. Automatic balance creates reassurance. Hands remain steady, thoughts stay clear, and workflow feels smooth. Quiet motion adds comfort, making long sessions peaceful and enjoyable. This atmosphere supports creativity during any moment, day or night, without disturbance. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3-dimensional printer fits people seeking growth, satisfaction, and emotional reward. Ownership represents belief in creativity and self-improvement. Choosing this path means valuing time, trusting ideas, and enjoying the journey of making something meaningful from nothing. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra 3 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version multicolor fused deposition modeling 3-dimensional printer brings ideas out of imagination and places them gently into the real world. It speaks to creators who feel satisfaction when thoughts become objects they can see and touch. Each printing moment feels calm and exciting at the same time, building a strong emotional connection between creativity and outcome. Watching layers rise creates pride that stays long after the process ends. Creative work often feels blocked by limits, yet this printer encourages freedom and confidence. The experience feels smooth and steady, helping focus remain on expression rather than difficulty. Time feels valuable and respected, allowing projects to move forward with clarity. Every session strengthens belief in personal ability and nurtures curiosity to explore new forms and concepts. Color transforms each creation into something expressive and alive. Finished pieces carry personality, mood, and intention, making results feel meaningful instead of ordinary. Seeing shades appear during printing creates anticipation and joy. That emotional reward makes every completed object feel like an achievement worth celebrating and sharing. The spacious working area invites ambition and bold thinking. Users feel comfortable creating larger ideas, detailed models, or useful items without restraint. This openness encourages growth and learning, helping skills develop naturally through hands-on experience. Each successful project builds momentum for the next idea. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version multicolor fused deposition modeling 3-dimensional printer becomes part of a creative journey rather than just a machine. It supports imagination, patience, and self-expression. Every print reflects effort and vision, turning inspiration into reality. This experience leaves users feeling capable, motivated, and emotionally connected to what they create, making creativity a joyful and fulfilling part of everyday life.